What's the best kitchen appliance? Easy. The slow cooker. You pop some ingredients in, tap a couple buttons, walk away, 8 hours later, boom, dinner is served. Now, if only there was a slow cooker for investing. There are 3 simple steps to set it and forget it investing. Step 1. Look into setting up a systematic investment plan, or SIP. It will regularly transfer a set amount of money from your checking account to your investing account. That way, you don't need to worry about doing it yourself, or forgetting to do it at all. Step 2. Consider buying investment products that handle most of the portfolio building for you whenever money lands in your investing account. Just make sure the products you pick fit your investing profile. Lastly, step 3. Think about setting up a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP, for your holdings. This will automatically take any dividends you earn to buy more of that investment, so you can gradually build up a larger stake without lifting a finger. And there you have it, easy as pie. Just remember to check your progress from time to time to help ensure you stay on track with your plan. Now, speaking of pie, I could go for some right about now.